Hello guys, welcome back, and this is the website. I shared with you this website much more time. Right now I share with you the withdrawal proof of this website, that this website pay you or not. Okay, I just click login. If you are new, just go and register yourself, and I just put my email address, password, and just start the capture. Right now you can see I have this much coin available in here. This website pay you coins. After that you converted the coin to Litecoin. Okay, you can see every coin equal to this much Satoshi of Litecoin, and right now I have 1 million coin. I put my faucetpay Gmail address in here, and now you can earn this cryptocurrency. Just click the three dash in the top. Sorry about that. Where is it? The three dash in here, just you can go and claim a short links, PTC ads. You can go it and you can watch your PTC ads. You can earn your free coins, and then you can convert the coin to Litecoin. Okay, right now I have a coin. I just go and click withdraw to show you can receive the withdrawal and or not. Okay, okay, now okay, that time you just click withdraw, and you can see this website send me my Satoshi. It's not too high Satoshi, it's too low, but this website send you your free Satoshi. Okay, I came down to share with you the withdrawal proof, and now you can see this website send me my Satoshi and sent it to my faucet pay. Thanks for watching guys. This website link available in description, and bye for now.